welcome to dance class. This is week 5. Can you even believe that? We're gonna start with a little bit of bar work, and then we're gonna add on to some of the movement and learn some new stuff. So, to start with, we're gonna face towards the bar, okay? And our feet are gonna be in that parallel position. So we're right here. Squeeze your bottom, roll your shoulders up, and drop them back. Now we don't wanna stick our boobs and our bottom out. We squeeze our bottom and then kind of tuck it a little bit. Shoulders roll out, find that back space. Hands gently place. And we're gonna do 8 pliés. So we bend, 1, press through the heels. And 2, press through the heels. And 3, press through the heels, nice. 4, press halfway. And 4, and 3, and 2. Last one, take it down. Releve for 8. 1, lower. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, and 8. Hold it up here. Take your hands up and see if you can take them up. You can touch the wall if you feel wobbly. And bring them down, lower the heels. Okay, now we're gonna turn into a turnout, okay? Our heels together, toes pointing outwards. Here we go, plie, press, plie, press. We have 6 more, and 5, and 4, 3, press through the heels as you come up. 2, last one. Setting it up to releve, squeeze your bottom, lower. See if you can make it very smooth. That's 2. Smooth up, smooth down. 3, 4, and 5. How many more? 3 more. 6, and 2 more. 7. Last one. Hold it up, squeeze the bottom. Send your arms up or on the wall. If you have a wall, maybe you don't have a wall. Then you'll have to really test your balance. And lower. All right, nice job. Okay, I'm gonna do it as if you're behind me. We're in a first position. Take your arm to the side, drop, forward, side. Little plie. Again, plie. And then we're gonna releve, arm comes up and lower. From the top, again, plie and reach, plie again. And then squeeze the bottom, releve, arm comes up. Avoid having a shoulder up here. Shoulders roll down, lower. 2 more times, plie, arm reaches to the side, all the way up, squeeze bottom, and lower. And last time, drop the arm, reach, all the way up, squeeze, and lower. And now turn around. I'm going to pretend my bar's here on the other side. So do a little breather. Send it forward to the side 4 times. We go down. 1 and 2. We releve all the way up. Squeeze your bottom. Lower. 3 more times. And plie. Press through the heels. Plie. Press through the heels. All the way up. Shoulders are rolling down the back. Squeeze the bottom. Lower. 2 more. La. Press to the heels, reach. And to the side, all the way up. And down. And last one. Reach. All the way to the side and up. Squeeze the bottom. Lower. Nice job. Okay, we're going to do some tendus. Your feet are going to be in that turnout. Remember, don't over-turn out. Don't do that. You're going to hurt yourself. Hand is gently on the bar. And we're just going to take our arm to the side. It's not up here. It's just on this nice diagonal. We are going to tendu forward and take it through first to back. Through, forward, through, back. Through, forward, through, back. Last one, 2, 3, and plie. Let me just show you that facing you so you can see that. I'm sending it forward and I'm leading with my heel. So I'm not leading with my toe, leading with my heel, and then back. Comes through first. This is first position, okay? Try that on the other side. Hands right here on. Gentle. Other side. We go forward, through first, back, through first. Forward, through first, back, through first. Forward, through first, back. Last time. Forward, through first, back, through first. A little plie. Nice job, guys. Okay, we're going to take it out to the center. Okay, now we're in the middle. I want to just teach you a rond de jambe, okay? And then we're going to go over some of the moves we did last week. So, a rond de jambe, we're going to be in a third position. So this is the first position we've been working on. You're going to take this leg and just place it halfway in front of the back foot. Do you see that? So we've gone from here and we're just placing the heel halfway along the back foot. Okay? I'm going to show you this way and then from behind. So we have our back leg, which is this leg. Your front leg is going to point forward, send it all the way back, and then we're going to shift. Okay? So we have our front leg, and we're going to send it forward, all the way around, and then bring it in back. Let me show you that again. So I have my stable leg back here, front leg points, shoop, goes all the way around, draws half a circle, and brings it in. Now, this leg is my stable leg. And we're going to go point, tendu, all the way around, and bring it in. And now this leg's our supported leg. Right, the front leg is my right leg. It's going to point, half circle, bring it in behind. Now that leg's my supporting leg. This is my front point, circle, half circle, bring it in. I'm going to show you from the other side. Okay, so as I move back, I'm going to scooch up here. I have my right leg in front. Left leg is my stable leg. Point the right leg, draw a half circle, bring it in. Now the right leg is my stable leg. Left leg points, half circle, bring it in. Right leg points, half circle, bring it in. Now left leg points, half circle, bring it in. And point, half circle, bring it in. One more, point, half circle, bring it in. So that is called a rond de jambe. It's a great move that can help us travel across the floor. So, I hope that you had fun with that move. We're going to go over a few moves that we did last week and the week before. We're going to add on to them. So, we start with our grapevine. Side, behind, side, together. And side, behind, side, together. Step, click, click. click. You already know that move. Step, click. Now we're going to turn over our left. So we step to the left, and we step to the corner. Watch that again. So we just went step, click, step on the left, take it all the way to the right, so I'm kind of facing this way, step on my right, then step on my left, and I'm facing the diagonal, and I'll go, vroom. Right? So basically you've got a little bend in your knees, and you just lift your heels. That's actually the end of the dance, so you're learning the end first. So, we are gonna go, well actually, not all those moves go quite together, but don't you worry. We're gonna do that last bit. After the pony, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step to the left, click to the right, click, step, turn, and run. Okay, so these moves I've been teaching you are in a dance that I'm teaching you right now, but I'm gonna start from the beginning, and the moves are a little bit different and in a different order. But you've started to learn some of them. So the next just 3 minutes, we're gonna go through this. We start in a second position. Our feet are wide. And we are gonna jump the right leg in front of the left. Or you can step it. I'm gonna show you jumped, and then I'm gonna show you stepped. So jumped would look like this, your hands cross, and then you press your hands out and turn around. Okay? If you were just to step it, you'd go step, press on that front leg, it opens you up. Then we're gonna step, click. You've learned this move, step, click. Then you can go grapevine, side, behind, side, and then you're gonna step 1 and 2. There's a little bit extra to that grapevine. So from the beginning, we're here. We cross, press on that front leg all the way around. Step, click, side, behind, and left heel, and right heel, and stamp on your left. Let's try that again. Our feet are really wide, right leg crosses, press on the right leg, shoo, all the way around. Step, click, side, behind, and left heel, and right heel, and stamp on the left. Then you're going to turn all the way around. So after I've stamped, I'm going to pick up my right leg, step on my left leg to this corner. So I'm on a diagonal, and then you go broom. Okay? This is the beginning of a dance. So we're in a wide, right leg, crosses over, arms, and then we go shoo, all the way around. Step, click, side, behind, step, left heel, step, right heel, step, left, stamp. Turn to the side, lift your heels, broom. Okay? That's what we're gonna do today. Let's do it 2 more times, and then we'll be done. Feet are wide, and we step cross, press, step, click, side, behind, and left heel, step, right heel, step, left, stamp, turn, step on the right, step on the left, to the diagonal, lift your heels. Nice. One more time, we're wide, right leg comes over, step, press, whee! Step, click, side, behind, and left heel, step, right heel, step, left stomp, turn, step to the corner, room. Okay? I'm just gonna show you that with the music because I think it will just get you to see how this is going. I'm gonna show you the dance that I'm gonna teach you. Here we go. It goes slide, shoo! Step, click, side, behind, and left, then right, and step, turn, and step, point, side, stamp, cross, point, cross, step, pulse, a 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, run, step, click, out, you know this move, pony, 1, 2, we've we're gonna add on this next month. So by the end of the month, you will be able to do the dance with me.